Hello everyone. So I have taken a trade in Adani Enterprises, anticipating a bearish trend. Let's see how Adani Enterprises moves. So many people used to ask how I selected Adani Enterprises. I felt Adani Enterprises was overbought. So I was expecting a pullback in Adani Enterprises, and Adani Enterprises was also trading below daily CPR. So I went for a short position. I have taken a short around 3045 800 quantities. So this is the chart of Adani Enterprises. It has taken a resistance at daily CPR and it is coming down. I am drawing a Fibonacci retracement from bottom CPR to S1 levels. If Adani Enterprises breaks this 38% level in Fibonacci, then there will be a good fall till S1. So this is my view in Adani Enterprises. Let's wait and watch. So almost this 38 percentage level is getting broken. Now I am in good profits. If candles are sustaining below 38% level, then very quickly S1 will be reached. But I am planning to exit before S1. I have placed my target because my stop loss is just 20 points. Even if I get 40, that is fine. Yes, done. So very quickly my target was done in Adani Enterprises. Entered at 944 and exited at 948. Another trade I have entered, guys. This is Tata Chemicals. Taken a short 1500 quantities at 1078. I am having a bearish view in Tata Chemical also. So Tata Chemical is also similar pattern of Adani Enterprises. It is overbought, expecting a small fall. So I have selected a Tata Chemical. Let's see how this goes. Very slowly my losses are getting reduced. So let's determine the target in Tata Chemical. Let me open Tata Chemical chart and let's quickly see the target for Tata Chemical. So same as Adani Enterprises, I am planning to determine my target. My target is S1 level. S2 is quite far, so let me plan S1 as my target. I've already placed my stop loss, you can see over there. Let me take Fibonacci retracement from bottom CPR to S1 levels. 1 second. Yes. So already Tata Chemical is below 38% level. That's great. So definitely Tata Chemical has to fall till S1. I think I have to wait for some time because it's moving very slowly. Adani Enterprises hit my target within few minutes. I think I have to wait in Tata Chemical. Let's see. Let me place my target as well. $71 is my target because that's where S1 levels are there. So S1 is around 71. So let me place my target as 71. So now you can see guys, Tata Chemical is sustaining below 38% level in Fibonacci. Adani Enterprises and Tata Chemical are strong companies. They are at all-time high levels. So when you are taking a short position, please be careful. Whenever you are taking a short position in a strong company like Tata Chemical, Adani Enterprises, always you have to be very careful with your short positions. Take short only if you are 100% confident and sure about the trend. Don't short a strong company without proper knowledge. At the same time, don't buy a weak company if you are not having proper experience. So what I have taken in Adani Enterprises and Tata Chemical is a opportunity trade. It is giving a pullback, and in that pullback I am making use of that opportunity. And these trades are not advisable for swing trading because these are strong companies. They may give a gap up opening and they may trap you. So don't carry forward your positions, short positions in a strong company. Maybe you can do scalping like me, or you can hold it only for intraday. So this is my advice for my viewers. I am looking at my chart in another tab and I am recording this tab separately. So please don't think I am looking at the profits only during live market. I am watching the chart in a separate tab. So now I started to get some good profits. Maybe my target will be hit very soon. Let me open the chart. Yes, almost my target is very close. Anytime my target will be hit. If there is a rejection, then the market may take a resistance at 1079 levels, and then it may come down if there is a rejection in this candle, because first candle was a very strong rejection candle. Again, if there is a rejection, then I will expect a resistance at 1079, and then Tata Chemical may come down. As of now, there is no rejection. The bear candle looks strong. I'm planning to move my stop loss. Let me move my stop loss first. So I entered at 78. My stop loss is 82. I have placed a 4-point stop loss. 4-point stop loss and 7 points target. Let's see. Generally, I never trail my profits and I never trail my stop losses, guys, because I don't like to sit in a trade for a very long time. I am a person who is aggressive, like Virendra Sehwag. Whether it is a boundary or whether it is a 6, I just go for a big hit. So same way, I focus only on scalping. I never like to sit in a trade for a very long time. So I never ride my profits. I never trail my stop losses. Very rarely I do. If I am having the mood to trail my stop losses, then I do that. Otherwise, I never trail my profits and stop losses. Yes, my target is hit finally, and I've got around 10k in this trade. Let me cancel my stop loss. Yes, I have cancelled it. So done for the day. I am taking home 42,500. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.